A severe storm hit the Denver metropolitan area on Monday afternoon, triggering a variety of events ranging from coin-sized hail to ping-pong balls, heavy rain that caused flooding, and damaging winds. Hail fell in downtown Denver and other parts of the Denver metropolitan area on Monday afternoon, forcing flight delays and groundings at Denver International Airport. The combination of large hail and heavy rain forced drivers along I-70 to pull off the road and take shelter under an overpass on the north side of Denver. The storm, which brought hail, 1 to 2 inches in diameter in some places, just after 1 p.m., also brought strong winds and heavy rain. Several videos circulating on social media showed hail accompanied by the storm hitting residential areas, covering roads and yards with the white material. Furthermore, the hail and storm also caused damage to several parked cars' bodies and windows. Additionally, many motorists were forced to reduce their speed, while others pulled over to avoid any potential accidents.
Well, if you've ever wondered what golf ball-sized hailstorms look like, holy shit. Open my car.
At 1:20 p.m., a thunderstorm moved northeast toward Denver International Airport, where ground flight delays were imposed. The FAA order affected flights departing and arriving at Denver. The ground flight suspensions ended at 3:15 p.m., and ground flight delays were then set to remain in effect until the evening. Just after 2 p.m., CBS Colorado's First Alert weather tracker captured video of hail on Interstate 70, so severe that cars were stopped under bridges, causing gridlock. Besides Denver, hail also struck parts of Aurora on Monday, covering some neighborhoods with ice and creating a scene that residents described as more reminiscent of winter than late spring. The storm produced hail up to 1.25 inches in diameter in parts of Aurora, according to the National Weather Service. While some neighborhoods in Aurora were largely unaffected, others were still covered in hailstones that persisted for hours after the storm passed. Videos shared by residents showed hail blanketing lawns, parking lots, and sidewalks. In some locations, the accumulation was thick enough to resemble snow-covered ground.
Yeah, this is nuts.
Near East 40th Avenue and Airport Boulevard, parking lots were covered in pea-sized hail. Although the ice accumulated quickly, Lavelle said the hail appeared too small to cause significant damage to vehicles. As the sun returned, the hail began to melt rapidly, sending water rushing through the parking lot and onto the roadway.
Looks like it snowed. That's all hail. Dear Lord, I pray for all the cars down there.
According to the Aurora Police Department, hail covered a portion of the flooded parking lot near 6th Avenue and Sable Boulevard, causing one unlucky driver to drown in the floodwaters. Hours after the storm ended, large piles of hail remained in parking lots, along sidewalks, and on sections of roadway throughout eastern Aurora. Despite the dramatic snow accumulation, Fox 31 crews in the area saw little significant damage from the storm. Most of the hail melted within hours, leaving wet roads and scattered debris. Meanwhile, according to local weather forecasts, Denver is expected to experience quite dynamic weather again today, June 2nd, 2026. After the Denver metropolitan area was hit by thunderstorms and large hail earlier in the week, atmospheric conditions in the region still indicate the potential for unstable weather during the day and evening. According to various weather forecast sources, the air temperature in Denver today is expected to reach around 27 to 28 degrees Celsius during the day, or around 80 to 81 degrees Fahrenheit. Meanwhile, the minimum temperature overnight and early morning is expected to be in the range of 11 to 13 degrees Celsius. The morning weather is expected to be relatively comfortable, with a combination of sunshine and scattered clouds.
This guy.
Although the morning is predicted to be quite sunny, meteorologists warn that warming air throughout the day has the potential to trigger the development of convective clouds that could develop into showers and local thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening. Several weather models indicate a significant chance of showers and thunderstorms during this period. Winds are expected to blow at light to moderate speeds from various directions throughout the day. These conditions are still considered normal for the start of summer in Colorado. However, as thunderstorms develop, wind speeds can increase locally around the rain zone.
Hey everybody, just a little June 1st shovel session.
Denver is known for its rapidly changing weather patterns, especially during spring and early summer. Its proximity to the Rocky Mountains often creates atmospheric conditions favorable for thunderstorm formation in the afternoon. Warm air at the surface can rise into cooler layers of the atmosphere and produce storm clouds in a relatively short time. Therefore, what appears to be clear weather in the morning does not necessarily guarantee similar conditions throughout the evening.
Yep.
In addition to the chance of thunderstorms, residents are also advised to pay attention to local weather developments throughout the afternoon. While not all areas will experience rain, some areas in and around Denver could potentially experience brief showers accompanied by lightning and thunderstorms. This is a fairly common pattern in June in Colorado.